How to reset WordPress website in Hostinger. If you want to reset your WordPress website in Hostinger, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now what we can do is, if you want to reset a WordPress website, you can do so right within WordPress itself by using a free plugin or a tool. But for that you must have a WordPress plan. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard and then you're inside your site editor, on the bottom left you can see plugins. So go to plugins. In the search tab, you want to simply go ahead and then type in WP Reset. So basically when you type in WP Reset, you'll find WP Reset tool right here. You'll find many of the tools, but you can choose the one that is free. And over there, you can simply go ahead and then basically select it. And after that, you can add a certain one to your link. And once you add this, basically once you activate, you can simply reset your WordPress website. Now, some tools will actually also allow you to back up your site in case later you want to restore it. So you could absolutely do that based on your choice as well. You can view the review of a certain plugin and see if that works and then add it to your website, and you can choose to reset all of your WordPress website. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.